Hi everyone, this is Jenna from the Customer Success team at Funnel, and today I wanted to show you how to connect user level data for GA4. So you would click into Google Analytics, and then click on the account that you would like. And then you could use a template for user level data. So as you can see, it's right here. But this would only bring these dimensions and these metrics within these time windows. So if you're looking to get different metrics or different dimensions or different time windows, then we would recommend configuring it manually. So one thing that you should know is if you want to see, for example, how many users per session you have, you can't just go into the standard report and add that. So you do have some user level data here, mostly pertaining to new users. But if you want to add more extensive user level data, then you would have to click on this report, which would entail connecting an entirely new data source. So once you click into user data non-aggregate, as you can see, it is a non-aggregatable data source. So with this, all of the fields here would be non-aggregatable. So we would highly recommend that you go check out our video on what are non-aggregatable metrics. I'll link it down below this video so you have kind of a foundation of what that entails and how to work with them. But this report would be set up like that. So basically with non-aggregatable metrics, you would have to look at it from different time windows. The reason that user level data is non-aggregatable is because we're looking at unique users and we need to allocate them to a certain time window so that the numbers aren't inflated. So as you can see here, for example, if you click into users, you can see active users is the number of distinct users. So with this, we would have to allocate it to specific time windows. So these are the time windows that we currently have available: 1 day, 7 days, month to date, 14 days, 30 days, or lifetime. You can configure this data source to be on multiple time windows. This just means that if, for example, you pull in the active users metric, you would have one field for active users in the 1 day time window. You would have another field for active users in the 7 day time window, and then another field for active users in the month to date time window. So with this, you would just click into whichever dimensions or metrics you would like. You also have different ones here, for example, for event name that you could pull in, or for session here. Now, I've already connected a data source for this, but yeah, you would just pick whichever dimensions and metrics you would like to have for this specific data source, and then what time window you would like to have it in. And then you would go ahead and configure the data source.